Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Porsche 911 versus electric sports cars. We'll explore what makes each option compelling for enthusiasts. The Porsche 911 is renowned for its iconic engine sound and engaging manual transmission options, offering a visceral connection to the road. Electric sports cars, however, provide breathtaking acceleration and a quiet, smooth ride, redefining modern performance. Let's dive into the key differences. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Porsche 911 is celebrated for its balanced chassis and precise steering, giving drivers exceptional feedback. Its rear-engine layout contributes to its distinctive handling characteristics. Electric sports cars, with their heavy battery packs often placed low, achieve a very low center of gravity, enhancing stability and cornering. The driving experience is fundamentally different, appealing to varied preferences. Considering practicality, refueling a Porsche 911 takes only a few minutes, offering convenience on long journeys. Electric vehicles require charging, which can range from 30 minutes at a fast charger to several hours at home. While the initial cost of electric sports cars can be higher, they often boast lower fuel and maintenance expenses over time. Both offer distinct ownership experiences. The future of sports cars is exciting, with both traditional and electric powertrains evolving rapidly. Porsche itself is exploring hybrid and fully electric options for the 911, aiming to blend its heritage with new technology. Electric vehicle performance and range are constantly improving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you prefer the classic roar or silent speed, innovation continues. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.